we're talking about a subject that's extremely important in our digital age: keeping your money safe. We'll be exploring some detailed steps and precautions you can take to protect yourself against fraud and theft, both online and offline. Let's get started. 1. Protecting your card information. Never disclose your card number, expiry date, and CVV over phone calls, emails, or text messages. Always cover your PIN during transactions at ATMs or card machines. And if you lose your card, inform your bank immediately so that they can freeze the account and prevent unauthorized access. 2. Regularly monitor your accounts. Make a habit of regularly checking your bank and credit card statements. Look for any transactions that you don't recognize, however small they might be. Report anything suspicious to your bank without delay. If possible, set up real-time alerts for transactions to keep track of your spending and immediately notice any fraudulent activity. 3. Online shopping safety. When online shopping, ensure that the website you're using is secure. Look for HTTPS in the URL and a padlock symbol in the address bar, indicating the use of secure encryption. Stick to well-known retailers or websites with good reputations, and always double-check the URL to avoid imitation websites designed to keep your details. 4. Safeguarding personal information. Your personal information can be misused in many ways if it falls into the wrong hands. Be mindful of where and how you share your details, such as your full name, address, and date of birth. Also, be very wary of unsolicited phone calls or emails asking for personal or financial information. 5. Strong password practices. Your password is often the first line of defense against unauthorized access to your financial accounts. It's important to use strong, unique passwords for each account. A password manager can be a useful tool for generating and storing complex passwords securely. 6. Beware of scams. Scams come in many forms, from phishing emails and texts to fraudulent phone calls and even face-to-face cons. More details are provided later in this video, but for now, know that you should always be cautious and skeptical if something seems too good to be true or if you're being pressured to make a financial decision. Remember, reputable companies and institutions will never rush you or make you feel uncomfortable. 7. Using secure networks. When dealing with finances online, always use a secure private network. Public Wi-Fi networks can often be exploited by cyber criminals to gain access to your devices and steal sensitive information. If you need to access your accounts on the go, consider using a VPN, virtual private network, for enhanced security. 8. Keep software and devices updated. Software updates often include important security patches that address vulnerabilities, providing better protection against cyber threats. The same applies to antivirus software and apps. Keep them updated for the best level of defense. 9. Invest in identity theft protection. These services monitor various data and record for signs for fraudulent activity, such as your credit files, public records, and even dark web data. If suspicious activity is detected, you are alerted immediately, allowing you to take action before significant damage is done. 10. Dispose of financial documents properly. It's not just online where you need to be careful. Physical documents like bank statements, bills, or any documents containing personal information should be shredded before disposal to prevent them from being used fraudulently. 11. Understanding common scams. Awareness is your best defense against scams. Here are some common ones to watch out for. Phishing scams. These usually involve emails or text messages pretending to be from reputable companies to trick you into providing personal or financial details. For example, you might receive an email that looks like it's from your bank, asking you to log in via a provided link. Always be suspicious of any unsolicited message that asks you for personal information or prompts you to click on a link. Investment scams. These scams promise high returns with little to no risk. They'll often pressure you to invest immediately. Remember, if something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Always research it before investing your money and don't let anyone pressure you into making quick decisions. Romance scams. Here, fraudsters create fake profiles on dating sites or social networks to manipulate people into sending money. They often create a sense of urgency, like a made-up personal crisis, or talk about wanting to visit but needing funds for travel. Advance fee fraud. This type of scam involves a request to pay a fee in advance of something high value, like a loan, investment opportunity, or prize, but then delivering nothing. For example, you might be told you've won a lottery and you need to pay taxes or fees before receiving your prize. Tech support scams. Scammers might call you pretending to be from a tech company, saying they've detected a problem with your computer. They'll ask for remote access to your device, which they can then use to steal information or install malware. If you think you've fallen victim to a scam, report it immediately to your bank and your local law enforcement agency. If you found this video useful, then please hit the like button. It makes a big difference and gets this video shared with more people. Check out the video over here for more personal finance tips. A big thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye.